All right, we have new snow options to prepare for the fall season. If you go to the studios, and all you have to do is go down to overlay, we'll scroll down to overlay studio. You're going to see that besides the floral overlays, we have snows, and you can upload your own overlay. So what if we add some snow? So I'm just going to come in and I'm going to load a photo. And let's see. We'll take our cute little baby that we did for the live recently. And let's find, okay, so we'll come to where he was in the snow here. And you'll see that there's already snow in the background. So let's add some snow. What if we try silver and glitter? Ooh, I like that. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. We can do the size. We can go there. Fade the bottom edge. See how you can fade it? Then we'll come on the snow. And let's say, keep the subject. That way it's not on his face. Isn't that cute? And there you go. We can try another one. Let's try another one. I like it, I like it. Okay, so let's go ahead and try another one. And let's see. Falling snow. Ooh, wow. It's a lot of snow. What about... Wow, it's a lot of snow. Let's try this one. Oh, we'll remove these ones. And let's take the opacity down a little bit. The size. Then we can go to photo and say keep the subject. There. Very cool.